In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Clickup. Clickup, the all-encompassing app for managing work tasks, has a neat feature that allows you to organize and categorize your tasks efficiently through the use of tags. Adding tags to your tasks not only simplifies searching and grouping tasks, but also enhances task visibility across your team. Let's dive into the process of adding tags to your tasks in Clickup, ensuring that you can keep your workspace meticulously organized. First and foremost, navigate to the official Clickup website. This is your gateway to accessing an array of productivity tools designed to streamline your work process. The landing page of Clickup is thoughtfully designed, allowing new users to intuitively find their way around and existing users to quickly jump back into their work. Upon arriving at the website, your next step is to log into your account. This is a straightforward process requiring your email and password. For those new to Clickup, it might be helpful to know that your email acts as your primary identifier, ensuring that all your tasks and projects are neatly organized under your account. After entering your credentials, look for the Login button, typically bold and impossible to miss, and click on it to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Clickup home screen. This is the control center of your Clickup experience, where you have a bird's eye view of all your tasks, projects, and notifications. It's from here that you'll navigate to the specific task you wish to add tags to. Selecting a task in Clickup is as easy as clicking on it. All your tasks are listed in what Clickup calls the space area, where each task is represented as a clickable element. The organization and layout here are meant to provide clarity and easy navigation of your tasks, ensuring you can quickly find and select the task you need. After selecting the desired task, look for the Tags option. In the Clickup interface, the Tags section is designed to be visible and accessible, ensuring that you can quickly add or edit tags as needed. Clicking on tags will open up a field where you can type in your chosen tags. Tags in Clickup can be words or phrases that help in categorizing your tasks. You could use tags based on priority, such as urgent or low priority, based on the type of work like design or research or any other system that makes sense for your workflow. The beauty of tags lies in their flexibility, allowing you to create a personalized organization system that works best for you and your team. When adding tags, you can type in new tags or select from existing tags if you've already started a tagging system. This flexibility allows for a consistent tagging system across your tasks, facilitating easy grouping and searching of tasks based on their assigned tags. It's worth noting that tags are case insensitive and can include spaces, providing further versatility in how you choose to name them. After typing in or selecting your tags, simply hit enter or click away from the tag field to save your changes. Your selected task will now be categorized under the tags you've added, making it simpler than ever to keep your tasks organized and accessible. Remember, the goal of adding tags is not just to categorize tasks, but to make them easy to find and group together based on shared characteristics or priorities. In summary, adding tags in Clickup is a seamless process designed to enhance your productivity and organizational efficiency. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that every task is properly categorized, making it easier for you and your team to stay on top of your workload. Clickup's tag feature is just one of the many tools available within the app, aimed at making your work process as effective and efficient as possible. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding tags on Clickup. Remember, taking the time to properly categorize and tag your tasks can significantly impact your productivity and task management effectiveness. Whether you're managing a large team project or organizing personal tasks, tags are an invaluable tool in your Clickup arsenal. Thank you for watching, and here's to your organized and productive work life.